Hi guys, welcome to How to Maximize. In this video, I will show you how to safely transfer Google Play balance to PayPal. First of all, open up the Play Store. After opening the Play Store, click on your profile icon from the top right corner. Then click on the Help and Feedback option. Now from Help, tap on the Contact Us button. Then type your problem as Transfer Balance. Choose the best description of your issues like Transfer Account Content option. And click on Next Step. In the next step, you need to choose the specific area where you need support. You can choose Google Play Apps here. After that, tap on Next. Again, tap on Next Step. Now for the last step, click on the Community button. Here you can describe your problem in detail, then choose the category, platform of your issue, and then click on Next. This process will solve your problem, and then you will be able to transfer Google Play balance to PayPal. Thanks for watching, and please leave a like, subscribe, and share.